Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Nas Clark disown Godwin Akpabio reveals source of money wired to all senators. It was here in this country we got a report from our very own brother, the Senate President Godwin Akpabio, saying that as the senators, as they go for recess, that there's a little token has been dropped into the account. Sparked a lot of outrage, and Nigerians were saying minimum wage is 35,000 naira. Waiting on reach them, take buy Crocs. Okay, you know how much Crocs be for abroad? Convert your dollar or your pounds to naira. It's not up to the minimum. I mean, it's more than the minimum wage. It's more than the minimum wage. If you want to buy, if you want to buy a good one, if you want to buy a designer one, but they are taking 2 million naira each to go spend less than how many days? Welcome to Nigeria, where oppression is like the order of the day. So he said the clerk of the house will send money to all the senators' house and everybody will get something. The clerk don't come out and say, don't disown Emefiele. He say, which money? Say, Emefiele, now I know where the money they come from. He can't explain the whole thing. Emefiele now don't enter trouble because he get to explain to Nigerians what exactly is going on. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Nas Clark disown Godwin Akpabio, reveals source of money wired to all senators, says I have nothing with what he has said. Management of the National Assembly has denied paying an holiday large sum of amount of money to senators, contrary to the disclosure of the Senate President Godwin Akpabio during a Senate plenary. The parliamentary budgetary said the 2 million naira it paid to each senator was a statutory running cost. Okay, they won't cover up now. Was for statutory running costs, cost of their offices, which was captured in the 2023 budget lies, and not for a jamboree or vacation, as been insinuated by the Senate President. Late Nigeria report that Godwin Akpabio, during plenary on Monday night at the tail end of the speech of the plenary section after the Senate completed the screening and confirmation of Bola Ahmed Tinubu ministerial nominees, openly informed senators that the clerk of the house has wired money into their individual bank accounts in order for them to enjoy their holiday. That was what he said. It's not he said in order for them to enjoy their holiday. Okay. However, it received a lot of backlash. Okay, he said in order for them to enjoy their holiday, this money has been sent into their account. Godwin Akpabio, amidst backlash, tried to interpret, saying though the words he said was not what he meant by what he said. The development forced the Senate President to pause a bit and thereafter withdraw his statement for the records and reframe the statement and the information, saying nothing of such. In order to enjoy your holiday, the Senate President then reframed. He has sent prayers to your May bosses to assist you for a safe journey and trip to and returning back safely. Nigerians, however, took to their social media to berate the Senate President and his colleagues for allegedly feeding fat on the nation's commonwealth at a time when majority of Nigerians were facing economic challenges orchestrated by the same federal government on the policies of fuel subsidy removal, amongst others. Some also wondered why political office holders will enjoy a break from office with things being given to them, while other Nigerians suffer. This was unacceptable. So, my lovely people, this is what is happening right now, and we all have to see and enjoy what is going on. Okay, so this is what is happening. Anyway, my lovely people, don't forget that you have a voice, and so we all must speak out. This is what is going on. But the clerk has come back to tell Nigerians that, oh, there is no there is no, there is nothing there, okay? Everything is fine, and what the money that we are talking about that was paid into the account is not money for enjoyment. It was money that was in their budget, blah, 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 blah. Nigerians are asking, who asked you? Why are you trying so hard to explain? Why are you trying so hard to explain? Okay, why are you trying so hard? So this is what they do when they fight, and they do everything to get into position, is so that they can benefit and enjoy, why other people suffer. Imagine going for, it's not up to 4 weeks. So from the time of the recess to when they will get back, it's not up to 4 weeks. But they are taking, apart from every other money, 2 million, it's not my word, so it's Godwin Akpabio, has been sent to their account for their enjoyment. Wake up, Nigerians, for their pleasure, for their enjoyment. While Nigerians are wallowing and basking in penury. If I say more pray for this nation, now some people tell you, "Madam, only prayer you pray." But now be the way now. What you fit do? What you fit do now? Tell me now. Which other thing you fit do? Work not day. Work, people go work, right? So that you don't, when there is job, you will work. But where is the job? They have not given an opportunity to create jobs for the common man and woman on the street. Yet they want the people, excuse me, how does it happen? How does it work? How does it work? These are the same people who are supposed to be minding the nation, looking out for laws and policies that will benefit every single person. But what are they doing? What's their disposition? I want to ask because I need to know. These are the same people who are working for themselves. In result, how it affects Nigerians. I mean, the thing is spark up a lot of reaction, and that Godwin Akpabio would have regretted it, but God just wanted us to hear it because he did not know when he said it. He has already said it, and if you listen very well to that video, you will hear the senators shouting, must you let them know, must you let them know. If it's a good thing, it's only something, the thing you are hiding it because there is something about it. If there is nothing, it's of public knowledge, why would you be hiding it? If you are hiding it, it's because there is something about it that must not be known to just anybody. So you have to be careful. You cannot just let it out. It's because there is something about it. Can you see the deceitful set of people we have made our leaders, and how this is affecting every single one of us? So these are the days upon us. And why, nobody should just sit back there and, be quiet. We all must rise up and ensure that our voices are heard. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like or share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now.